Hi everyone, Gillian from Yoga G. So today I thought we would do a standing yoga, just a short 10-minute one that you can fit into your day. So let's begin. Now just bring your hands to heart center, feet hip width apart. So just take a breath in and a breath out, keep your core engaged. And slowly shift the weight onto the left foot, bringing the right knee up. You're just going to step it back and drop the back heel, coming into our warrior one. You may need to move that foot forward if your knee is going to go over your ankle joint. So we're going to inhale the arms up, and then we're going to exhale, bring the hands back. Breathing in, breathing out. Another 4. Last one. And exhale. Now bring your body back to center, rotate into your warrior 2. So this time we're going to drop the back hand as we inhale. Exhale, bring the palms down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last one. Rotate your body forward, palms together, step it back to the front of your mat. Take a few breaths just to get centered once again. Shift the weight onto the right foot, bring the left knee up and step it back, drop the back heel. Once again coming into our warrior one, inhaling the arms up. And exhale into your breathing in and exhaling. Another 3. Last one. And rotate into your warrior 2. When you're ready, dropping the back hand, inhaling into your sun warrior, then exhale, warrior 2. More. And then bring the hands back to prayer, step it forward. I'm just going to turn to face you. So have your feet hip width apart. All we're going to do here is just let our hands come side to side. This is great for stimulating the kidneys, the liver, getting the lymphatic system moving, getting the blood flowing around the body. Bring it up to your shoulders, tapping your back, your neck. Not too hard, of course. Good to get the blood flowing all around the body. Just slow it down. Bring the feet in together. We're going to roll down into a forward fold. So bend your knees softly. Slowly let your body roll down into a forward fold. So you can let your belly rest on your thighs here. You can bring the hands to the floor. or you can hold onto your elbows and rock gently side to side. and slowly release the hands. Slowly roll yourself up to standing. Bring the palms back together. We're going to come into our tree pose now. So begin by picking a little spot somewhere in front of you on the floor. Keep your core engaged. Have the weight even in both feet to begin with. And then just shift the weight onto the left foot and onto the toes of the right. Once you're steady, place that foot below or above the knee joint, or you can just tap it up and down if that's enough for today. Just keep that right knee rotated out. Keep focusing on your breath. Relax the shoulders away from your ears. Your core engaged. One more inhale and exhale. Slowly release the hands, release the foot. Bring the weight even on both feet once again. Hands to prayer. Shift the weight this time onto the right foot, come onto the toes of the left. When you're ready, bring the foot below or above the knee joint, but not on the knee joint. You don't want to damage your knee, so make sure it's above the knee joint or below. Focus on that little spot. Go into a little daze. Helps sometimes to count the breath. Release the hands, release the foot. We're going to do a different kind of swishing. Rather than go side to side, we're going to come up onto our toes and we're going to come down on our heels and exhale. So you're going to inhale coming up and exhale. So this is a great way to get rid of negative energy. Inhaling up, exhale it all out. Down hard on your heels. Really let go of all that negativity. One more. And come to standing. So that's just a short little standing yoga you can do in the morning. Great for energizing the body. Great for releasing any stale negative energy. And giving you the opportunity to start the day right and on the right foot. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like, comment, maybe let me know what else you would like to see. If there's anything in particular you would like to see. Looking for other ways to maintain your health, improve your longevity, then I can recommend some supplements from a company called QUERCETIN. They're US based, organic, they have vegan, they're FDA registered. So just click the link if you're interested in finding out more about those supplements to help with longevity, to help with joint pain, cell renewal, and many other things. So for now, I will say goodbye and hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Take care. Bye.